So this is phonics. You are going to take out a worksheet that looks like this. Mine's in black and white. You have a colored copy, and then you're also going to need the back, which is page 98. And then we're going to look at page 99. Okay, so you should have these 3 pages out. All right, so before we get started, we're going to review about, because this sheet is things that we've done already. So this should be easy peasy. You should be able to fill it in real quick. So when we have a blend of WH, I want you to think about what sound that makes. It makes a W sound. We don't hear the H. The H is silent. When we have the blend TH, we hear the th sound. And remember, CH is ch, and SH is sh. Okay? So for number 1, on page 97, you are going to circle the word that I say. All right? And so for number 1, you're going to circle the word when. If you need to pause the video and take a few seconds, you can do that. I'm going to move on real quick. That way your video doesn't last too long. All right, so number 2 is that. Just circle the word that says that. Number 3, check. Number 4, shut. All right, and so for number 5, we did this a lot last week. We write our base word, and you're going to double the final consonant, and then add ed or ing. So for number 5, you are going to erase it. Number 5 is going to look a little bit like this. And you have the word pet. So you're going to trace it the first time. And then the second line, you're going to double the consonant and add ed. Remember, this final consonant, we have to double it because Mr. Short cannot stand by the alley cats. So we have to double it. And for the next line, you're going to do the same thing. You are going to add ing. All right, so number 5 and number 6 are going to look something like that. And you can turn over to the back once you're done, and you're going to do the same thing. It says the directions say double the final consonant, add the suffix ed or ing. So it's telling you at the end of the sentence, add ing. So they want you to write the word grab. They have a special box because we know special letter is going to go right there. And then you're going to write the word ing. So it should say, grabbing. Right? John was grabbing the bat. So you're going to do same directions for number 7, 8, and number 9. Those are easy. We've done that a lot. So for page 99, remember we've seen those naming part, action part puzzles to make our sentence. So you are going to, this is how we organize our sentence. This is how we learn it. Makes it a little easier to plan what we're going to write, and helps you to make a better sentence. Okay, some of the part was filled in, and it's the action part, munches. Munches tells the action that happens. Who or what is munching in the picture? So when you look at that picture in the middle of the page, and you're going to see who or what is munching. So we're going to see that the flock is munching. So the flock of sheep, the flock, and you have the word munches. So the flock munches, and then you're going to look at the picture and see what the flock munches. Okay, and so you're going to write, remember, you have to write an uppercase letter to start the sentence, and you have to make sure that you have a punctuation mark at the end. So for this one, you're going to need a period at the end of that sentence. So you're going to do that for number 1 and number 2. They give you the naming part, and they want you to say the flock. So look at the flock, and I want you, there, some of them are munching, but then some of them are doing what? So you write the flock. The action word is going to be drinks. The flock drinks, and then you tell what the flock drinks. And make sure that the same thing, you rewrite the sentence at the bottom, and you're going to make sure you have an uppercase letter and a punctuation mark. So those are your directions for phonics, pages 97, 98, and 99. I also want you to review the phonics charts, and that way you can practice those letter sounds as well. See you guys later.